This is Rebo.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hi, excuse me? Oh, you live with your fiance. You know what they say, you can't shop for clothes naked, so no. But I got you to smile. Yeah, what's your name? I'm Reb. I see we got coffee too, so we're matching that. Hang on, let me put on my shades.
Okay, Rebo, so how was today?
Today was a really nice learning experience.
Okay, so today I'm in New York. I'm with Rebo. Rebo is a friend of Angelo, so hello Angelo.
So my name is Rebo. I'm 24 years old. I work in a hospital down in Brooklyn as a unit clerk. You know, sometimes in social settings I'm a little bit awkward, and sometimes I can't get the words out of my mouth and I end up making small talk with everybody. I'm gonna use today as kind of like a learning opportunity to see if I could just naturally get the words flowing out of my mouth and then interact with people in a genuine way. Approach anxiety is probably like a big thing that I've been dealing with. It's just initiating that conversation with somebody and finding out exactly at what point can I make that conversation turn into something reflective of the person. So if I'm going into small talk, I'm trying to find pieces that would allow me to talk to them genuinely rather than being like, oh, how's your day been? Oh, you know, like, where do you go to school and stuff like that, so.
Any last word before we start?
Wish me luck.
Nice.
Hi, excuse me? Excuse me? Hi. Sorry, I was just passing by and I noticed you and, you know, I really like your eyes.
I really appreciate it, but I have an Uber right here for me.
Oh, you have an Uber?
Thank you.
Oh, okay. All right, no problem. First one of the day. Unfortunate timing, but, you know, I think I put myself out there, like, I didn't really stutter or anything,
Yeah,
but
okay. You have to start somewhere.
I have to start somewhere.
When someone is in a rush, don't worry, I'll let you go, but let's hang out next week.
Yeah.
Just reach for it. Sometimes it won't make a difference, but sometimes life will surprise you.
I'll keep that in mind. Hey, how are you? You know, the green really suits you nicely. Yeah, I just came over here because, you know, like, I saw that we were matching, so I was just like, it gotta be a sign for something, you know?
I'm sorry.
You're seeing someone?
Waiting for a call, so.
From your boyfriend? Oh, okay. I mean, you're not looking for a better one, are you? No, I'm just joking. But I got you to smile, though, right? I got you to smile. Maybe we could be friends or anything, you know, like a network. You have enough friends? That's okay. You know, just take it as a compliment then.
No, I really appreciate it.
I didn't get your name, though. It was nice meeting you. I do really like the green on you, though, so. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
But you have a nice day, okay?
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, I hope you have fun.
That was cool.
Yeah, that was pretty
I
nice.
liked you were very present, you made the comments.
Yeah,
you know,
it was a pretty decent interaction. At least I went out there and did it, you know, like I'm more proud of the fact that I actually got it out of my nerves.
I think this is gonna be a good day.
Hey, excuse me? Hey, sorry, you're really pretty. I just wanted to tell you that, you know, like, yeah, I was passing by and I was just like, damn. What's up? Where are you off to? Like,
I'm headed to the store.
oh, you're heading to the store?
Yeah.
I'll walk with you for now if that's okay.
Sure.
Yeah. What's your name? Reb.
Oh, sorry.
My
Nice to
bad.
meet you.
Yeah, I know it's out of the blue, but you know, like it's a nice day today.
Yeah.
Thought we could just have a nice walk.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. So what's up? Do you live around here or like?
No, I live with my fiance uptown.
Oh, you live with your fiance.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I had no shot from the very get-go. No, that's totally cool. That's
trying to
totally
be nice,
cool.
but I think it's very. I'm just gonna let you know. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
I think this
Here,
is
walk on
great.
this side for me,
Sorry.
yeah, because I have this thing about like.
Got it. I think
The
it's
shirts.
great, like that you're approaching people. Like this doesn't happen, you know. Like,
Yeah, that often, yeah.
Yeah,
I
so
get
I
it.
think it's fantastic.
Thank
think you. Should
you.
keep
I
on
appreciate
doing
that. Yeah.
Okay.
It's lovely
awesome.
meeting you, though. Your energy is really nice.
Thank
yeah.
you.
Take care, okay? Yeah, she was giving me words of encouragement. She was just like, I think it's really nice of you to like come up and like talk. I think you should do more of that and blah blah blah. So, you know, I'm gonna take her advice and you know, like put my best foot forward, like I said in the beginning of the video. Excuse me? Hi, how are you?
Hi.
I was passing by and I really love that dress on
Thank you.
Like it looks gorgeous on you.
Thank you.
Really speaks out for like the summer vibes, you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah, what's your name? I'm Reb. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry for
heading
stopping you by.
somewhere?
No, I was just walking around with a friend and viewing the shops, I guess, because I don't really get much opportunity to go around in the city and whatnot.
Yeah.
What about you? Do you have any plans for today or like what are you up to?
Yeah.
actually heading to get a coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, do you recommend this spot?
Outing for the day.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you recommend the spot that you're going to?
Yes, I think it's very good.
You know, I could use a coffee right now. You mind if I join you?
I'm actually meeting someone.
Gotcha.
Right.
Okay. Well, if you're meeting someone, you know, maybe we could grab a coffee sometime. Like,
Yeah,
if
sure.
that's cool. Okay.
I'll
Let me get
give
your
you number, yeah.
Let me get your number then.
Nice.
Yeah. So let me just. Ask you. But it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Enjoy your coffee.
You too.
Hey, sweet. I got the number. Yeah. It wasn't too bad, but
The only thing I noticed is when she asked you what are you doing, you were like, oh, I'm just walking
Walking around with a friend.
But then you dived into a little story about my life. Oh,
Yeah,
I
I
didn't get
did.
too much chance to be in this city.
I did.
was like, what is this? Like a fucking documentary about Rebo? Like what the fuck?
yeah, that's true.
But yeah, that was great. That was great. Cool.
Not too bad. Excuse me? Hi, I really like your bangs. I really like your bangs. Yeah, they look really cute on you. Yeah. I just wanted to come say hi. My name is Reb. Nice to meet you. What's your name? That's a nice name. Yeah. Are you out here just studying or?
Just applying for a job,
Oh, like what type of work are you looking into?
just nonprofit work, assistant work. Yeah. What about you?
For me, I work at a hospital. What type of volunteer work do you like doing?
Just like supporting the community, something like that. I gotta get back to work, but it was really
Oh, okay. Yeah, of course. I mean, if you're busy right now, do you think maybe I could get your number and we could hang out another time when you're free? Gotcha. It's okay. I respect it though. Nice meeting you.
I felt like your general demeanor and vibe was more serious.
Really?
You know? And then when she tells you like she's working, you also took it very seriously. You know, she is working in a very busy coffee shop. I mean, she's probably not working that hard. You know what I mean? Like,
Hi, excuse me.
Hi.
Hi. I got really drawn in by like how nice your hair was. Honestly,
Oh,
like I
thank
just
you.
wanted to come say hi to you.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
This is Teddy.
Teddy?
Yeah.
Teddy, it's nice to meet you. My name is Reb.
Nice to meet you.
It's very nice to meet you. What brought you out here into the park?
I'm just walking in. Yeah, I live in East Village.
Oh, so you live in the area?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where do you live?
I'm all the way out in Queens. I was just enjoying a nice day in the park for
Nice.
once.
Yeah, it's like a good day for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you have plans sometime later today or like?
Today, I'm watching my friend's dog. Yeah.
Oh, this isn't
yeah,
even
this
your
is not
dog.
my dog.
Do you
This is
use
my
it as
friend's
like
dog.
a magnet for guys? Is that what it is?
Is it- it's working?
I think maybe that's why I got attracted to you in the first place. Yeah. Do you want your own dog sometime or like?
I love dogs. I don't think I could. I like work. I don't work from home, so I don't think I'd be able to.
Oh, what do you do?
Yeah, I work in the hospital.
Oh, I work in the hospital too, so
Oh,
we got
nice.
something in common. You
Yeah,
know what I'm
what
saying?
do you do?
I see we got coffee too, so we're matching that.
Yeah.
But
But what are you guys doing for the rest of the day?
I'm just probably gonna walk around. You know, it is pretty hot today. It's hot,
Do
but
you take the train in from Queens?
yeah. But I've been meaning to explore the city more. Maybe you know a couple of spots that you could show me.
Yeah.
Let me get your number then.
Yeah,
you know,
for sure.
let me.
Where in Queens do you live?
I mean, I could trade you. You know, because I know a lot of good food spots in
I'm sure the
in
food's like
Flushing.
so good over
It's
there. Right?
it's super amazing. And what's your favorite like cuisine?
I honestly, I'm a vegetarian, so I eat.
They have that too.
Yeah.
So they got everybody
I like
covered.
Indian food, I like Italian food. Honestly, I like everything that's vegetarian.
I gotta get put on to more vegetarian food, so I'm willing to try a bunch
Yeah.
of stuff. But you know, it was a pleasure meeting
Nice
you.
meeting you.
You know, I'm gonna let you go through and walk Teddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Well, have a
it was a
great rest of
pleasure.
your
Yeah,
day.
I'll text you.
Yeah. All right. See you around.
I'll see you. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. You know, like I kept it lighthearted compared to the last time. And
Yeah.
I was trying to be as present as possible in the moment, talking about the coffee and like, you know.
That was a really nice interaction. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was really genuine. I think that was the best one so far.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, sorry to bother you, but like I just noticed the big heavy picnic basket, and I was just like, that is super unique, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah, like I was just like, oh my god, what the heck? You must be strong. You must be carrying like a bunch of food and stuff.
Want me to carry for you?
Are you guys with friends? Oh, okay. Are you guys planning out like a picnic in the park or like? I'm Reb, by the way. What's your name? It's nice to meet you. Yeah. I didn't mean to cut you guys off either, you know, like I just wanted to talk to your friend, but what are your guys' names? So what did you guys pack for your picnic? Like, is it like sandwiches or like snacks?
Probably gonna go buy something later once it kind of feels on the plane.
Are you guys gonna drink or like, is it like a low-key type of thing for you guys?
We're gonna go see what's up at Washington Square Park.
Okay. Well, I mean, I don't want to take up too much of your time, but like, you know, maybe we could go out to a picnic park date like sometime. Oh, you have a boyfriend? And you're not looking for a better one right now, right?
No, that's pretty good.
You know what they say, you can't shop for clothes naked, so no. But you know what? Take it as a compliment. I hope you guys enjoy your picnic. And it was nice meeting you. Yeah, so take care. Bye guys. What's up?
You can shop for clothes naked. I love that.
Yeah, I just wanted to make a joke out of it. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I could have gotten a little bit more energetic, but you know, like walking around, it's a little bit tiring. But you know, I tried to really like up myself and make a couple of jokes and like keep it lighthearted. So I think I liked it. I like the interaction.
I think it was great. If I can just give, and I like also that you introduced yourself to the friends and that you were like kind of inclusive.
Yeah.
If I just have one feedback is when you wanted to engage, you were like, oh, do you think maybe like?
Yeah, I
you
kind of fumbled it around.
Like, let's hang out. You know, like as if it's normal and it's gonna happen. You're like, do you think maybe like, you know?
Yeah, I see your
generally
point.
speaking, but
Yeah,
this was good.
100%.
This was a good interaction.
Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. I really loved like the dark outfit you got going on. Like it looks really nice on you. Yeah.
you.
I just wanted to come say hi.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Reb. Oh, that's a pretty unique name.
Thank you. Yeah.
Like,
You're from here?
Yeah, I was just walking the area, so you know, I thought I would chat you up. What do you have for the rest of the day going?
Oh no, I'm just checking around the city. Yeah, I'm
Exploring
from
the
Jersey.
shops?
Yeah.
Oh, you're from Jersey.
Yeah.
Okay. So what shop are you thinking of like going off?
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm just walking.
I'm just walking.
Yeah, to take my passport pictures, but they're closed on weekends. I didn't know.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Yeah.
in a little bit of a hurry because everything's about to close.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Sunday.
Then, well, you know what? Since you're in a hurry, maybe I could grab your number and then we could hang out like next week.
I don't get my number out, and I
Gotcha.
work a lot, so Sunday's my only day off. So.
Okay. I mean, like maybe Instagram, like you know, if you just want to say as friends. I respect that then, but take it as a compliment. It was nice
thank you
meeting
so
you,
much.
though.
Yeah, you as well.
Interesting.
I will definitely admit.
I'm pretty surprised by the outcome, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, what happened?
I don't know because.
What were you gonna say? You were gonna admit what?
Yeah, personally for me, if I were to admit it, I feel like maybe I was just coming off a little bit too stiff. Like, I don't know.
I
like
thought
the-
it was okay. The only thing I noticed is the same thing when you wanted to ask her out. You were like, oh, maybe I can grab your number. Just be like, yeah, let's do something. And then you kind of try to like plan it, like, oh, next weekend, or you know, it's.
Yeah, it was too
I
forced.
would kind of just go about it more lightly. I'm not saying that it's because of that she was like not into it, but
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't too
it
bad.
is what it is.
Yeah, it is what it is. Sorry to bother you, but like you were looking really zen, so like I just wanted to come and talk to you real quick.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm enjoying the sun.
Yeah, you're. Yeah, I'm like tanning up real
Yeah,
quick.
no, I know.
Yeah, but it's really nice. You look like sun-kissed.
I just
think
came
that's
back
the
from
term, yeah.
vacation.
Oh, where'd you go?
Somewhere. I went to Aruba for a week.
Aruba.
So
How was that?
It was good. It was warm. It was toasty.
Was it like solo trip vibes? You're giving.
No, I went with my roommate.
Okay.
So yeah. That was,
Have
it
you
was
ever
fun.
been on like a solo trip before?
No,
Or,
I've
like,
thought about it though. I need to though.
where would you go if you were to go like anywhere in the
Europe or
world?
something, or somewhere maybe I've gone before, just so I have like some landmarkish ideas. But
Like backpacking in Europe?
no,
like
definitely not backpacking.
couple of months, like you got that
No,
flexibility?
no.
Today is like gorgeous.
Yeah, I know.
Hang on, let me put on my shades too, you know, let me try to match your energy. What was your name, by the way? I'm Reb. You live around this area? Is that why you're like
I
chilling
like,
out?
was doing some errands and then I just like was gonna walk my way back up to Midtown. So what about
Okay.
you?
I live in Queens actually,
Okay.
so yeah, I'm
So
a little
you're
bit
a little
outside
far
the
from home.
outskirts, yeah.
So have you always like lived in New York or?
Yeah, I came over originally from the Philippines when I was like 4 years old.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
cool.
What about you? Are you originally from
Well,
here?
I'm adopted, so I came over.
You're a what?
I'm adopted.
Oh,
So I
okay.
came over from Guatemala at like 1, so a little
Oh,
the same, but not
interesting.
different. Yeah. So do you have siblings that are here too? Or, like, did you all move, or was it?
No, I'm an only child actually,
Okay,
so
cool.
like I've just been chilling by myself. But you know, obviously I feel like your parents saw you good because like
Yeah,
your
yeah.
vibe is just so like welcoming. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
I'm just hanging, you know.
Yeah,
What
it's
else are
just
you gonna
really
do
nice.
on a Sunday?
Exactly. It's just nice to be out, talk to people.
No,
you know.
absolutely. Did you figure out like your dinner spot? Are you eating down here, or it's like I can give you a few recos?
That's
So-
cool. Well, you know what? Since you know more than me, maybe we could hang out one of these times and you know like go to a restaurant together.
Yeah, we can have a little food tour down
Yeah,
here.
we could have a nice food tour. You know, let me get your number then.
Yeah.
You know, It was really nice meeting you, though.
Me too.
Yeah, I'll text you, and then we could do like a little food tour.
Yes.
Like I've been
Skydiving, food tours and everything.
skydiving, food tours, and everything. I've been frequenting like food festivals as of lately. I just went to Smorgasburg.
The amazing one's always in Brooklyn.
Smorgasburg.
Yes,
That's the one that you need to go
There's like
to.
an oyster one too, if you're into that. I don't
Oyster?
know when that is, but like there's always something around. Like, ever heard of a pierogi one? Like that, again, they're everywhere.
Oh, it's like the fish thing, right?
Yeah. It's like a little mussel. Thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to search that up
Yeah.
later because I feel like I know what you're talking about, but then I'm just
There's
like,
like just so many different things. The whole thing.
Iron shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Are you a Formula One fan?
I've seen it. Yeah, I've been keeping up this year.
Okay.
Have you?
Yeah, I just came from Barcelona,
Oh wait, that's so
so I
sick.
saw the race. in
My
person.
friends were down in Miami watching it.
Oh,
So.
nice.
What's your name, man?
Yeah, good to meet you. Are you guys from here?
Well, I'm from Queens,
I live in
but
Hell's Kitchen.
Oh,
yeah, she lives in
So-
Hell's Kitchen, so
Sort of.
we're just kind of like chilling out.
Shit-ton.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. I just moved to New York.
Oh really?
Oh, okay.
Well, welcome.
Yeah, thank you. I'm still. Really
How have you been enjoying it so far?
It was pretty bad when I got here.
Oh, you must have gotten here during the time when the clouds were yellow, right?
Thursday.
Yeah, no. So I came back from Spain on Thursday when it was really bad. But
Wait, so literally the same.
Yeah.
It's the same.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly. This the exact same situation happened.
Yeah, I was like, I told friends to go to the park.
Oh, well,
Wow.
it's been like 5 years since we met each other, so
Yeah,
like we're just catching up.
Nice.
Like, I heard that she has kids now and whatever, so no.
Yeah, totally.
Kids, damn.
No, not at all. It's actually anti.
Okay. So did you guys like meet in college or something?
No, we literally just met
Just met.
like 10 minutes ago. Like, yeah, we were just chatting each other up.
Hell yeah.
But that's New York for you, you know?
Yeah, that's New York for you. Hey, we could have a reunion soon.
Yeah, we definitely should come back here. Yeah. At some point.
Yeah, of course. You have an Instagram?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. It's always important to like network with people. So did I?
No, that one's
This one? Did you put yours in mine already,
not
or
yet. I'm
okay?
getting there,
So
I'm getting
all right.
Beautiful. Very
Saving the
cool.
best for last.
It's a beautiful weather, man. That's what it is. People are out here, and you have interactions like this. That's what it is.
You too.
Yeah, man. It was nice meeting you.
Yeah.
All right. Take care.
See you guys around.
All right.
Bye.
That was hella cool. Yeah.
So New York.
Yeah, I was just about to say
literally so
that
New
is so New York. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, you have a good rest of your night, okay? Yo, that was the funniest thing I've ever seen ever. Oh my god, you know what? I tried my best to bounce back over that, but I was just like, why is this dude randomly coming to me and like interacting with us too?
You handled it pretty well.
I tried to, but I was just shook. I was just like, are you trying to do this right now? Like,
Even besides that, the interaction was great. What do you have to think with this interaction?
honestly, I really liked it. Like, it was positive throughout the entire like thing. She was really receptive of like the energy that I was putting out, and then it was just a nice conversation. And it was just really random with the dude, but like life happens.
Boom,
That's what
yeah.
it is. People want to be approached, I believe. So people want to be approached because it's just like that's what we naturally want to do as human beings, like just genuinely have connections with people. And it's just nice when somebody is more receptive towards that feeling of like connection. But like I said, life happens, and then you're not always going to get the same outcome from every interaction. So I think that's the beautiful thing about like being human. It's just like you never know what life puts out there, and then like you never know whether it's gonna be good, bad, or a learning experience at the end of the day.
Cool.
The people are like just humans just like me, so it's just like I thought people would not want to be talked to. I thought people would like say that, oh, why is this guy bothering me, or like I don't really want to talk right now, blah blah blah. But even if that's the case, it's just like it's a reflection of like how you put out your energy, right? So if you're more positive and like you genuinely want to connect with that person, and then you have like a nice uplifting smile, it's just like maybe they're gonna be more receptive to that type of energy rather than being like down in the dumps or being like more serious. So it's all lessons at the end of the day.
Any last word?
Just do it.
Boom.